SeptiGamous layer. Universally SeptiGamous layer. Globally pompous show stealer, you make the world turn bitter. Abruptly worldwide, you have gone a virus killer. Keeping captive the whole world, rich or impoverished, you lock us down, exterminator. Your sneeze inevitably causes the whole world to wheeze. Your roar, with horror we shiver to a freeze. Your reign, by an iron arm, they succumb to you, all earthly kings. Almost indomitable, your boastful deadly strides stretch over lands, valleys and hills. Yes, at your side, multitudes hibernate in awe of you, snatch of our peace. Coexisting with your commonly cold, so communicable, you roam and lurk without mercy for the arrogantly rebellious. Nastily, you smite the careless, commonly coldish, feverish and pneumatic in nature. You are surely viral and unexpectedly fatal. Destructive when you get us positive. You nicely and stealthily catch us in gatherings simply. Chinned, you keep us quarantined, for that's the only way to stay clean. SeptiGamous layer, you got us rolling like a player.